Good morning, students. Today we continue our second lesson, classification of elements in Science 1. In last lecture, we see that the periodic trends in the modern periodic table, and this periodic trends is related with the valency of the electron, atomic size, and metallic and non-metallic characters of that elements. Now we want to see our point, metallic and non-metallic character of the elements. Metallic and non-metallic characters of the elements. When we observe the periodic table, that the metallic elements like sodium, magnesium are towards the left side, and the non-metallic elements such as sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, these are the at the right side in the periodic table. And the metallite elements like silicon, beryllium lies in between these two types, means in metals and non-metals. Non-metals and non-metals के बीच में a metallites elements like silicon, beryllium इसको place दी गई है. And when we observe the periodic table, that the zigzag line separates the metals and non-metals. When we observe the periodic table, the zigzag line given in the periodic table that separates the metals and non-metals in the periodic table, and elements are arranged in the such a way metals are on the left side and non-metals are on the right side in the periodic table, and also metallites are situated or placed arranged on the border of the zigzag line. And also with what we say, the metals are arranged in the left side of the zigzag line in the periodic table, and also non-metals like oxygen, nitrogen, means all gases these are sulfur a right side में अरेंज किए और zigzag लाइन के राइट साइड में अरेंज किए, मीन्स इन द राइट साइड ऑफ द पीरियडिक टेबल. द मेटालाइट्स लाइक सिलिकॉन, बेरिलियम ए क्या हुआ है, इसको zigzag लाइन के बॉर्डर पे प्लेस दी गई है. एलिमेंट्स zigzag लाइन के बॉर्डर में उसकी अरेंजमेंट की गई है. एंड आल्सो वी ऑब्जर्व the chemical formulae of the simple ionic compounds. Cation is formed in the metallic elements, means they have the capacity to losing the electron. They have the tendency to form the cation, means they have lose the electrons in their outermost shell, and this is called the electropositivity. This is called the electropositivity of the elements, means metals have the tendency to lose the electrons and forming the cations, and forming the cations means they lose the electrons. They have, while there they have the positive charge on the elements, positive charge on the atoms, and so this tendency is called the electropositivity of the elements. This tendency of the element is called the electropositivity of the elements. While the non-metals have the tendency to accept the electrons in their valence shell and to complete their octet and to form the ion, and to form the anion. To form the anion means they have the electronegativity. This tendency is called the electronegativity of the element. Now see, in the periodic trend in the metallic character elements is clearly understood the position of the modern periodic table. In a group, while we going down, a new shell gets added. When we going downside in the group, then we observe that the new shells are always added in the elements. New shells are added in the elements, and resulting in that increase in the distance between the nucleus and the valence electrons. जो क्या होता है, न्यू शेल ऐड होता है, एटम में न्यू शेल ऐड होता है तो क्या होता है, ऑब्वियसली डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द न्यूक्लियस एंड द outermost shell increases. Distance between the outermost shell and the nucleus of the element nucleus of the atom increases and valence and the result in lowering effect nuclear charge and thereby lowering the attractive of the अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स ऑन द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. मीन्स क्या होता है, ऑब्वियसली वो अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स कम होता है, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन का अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स कम होता है. एंड एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस टेंडेंसी ऑफ द एटम लूज द इलेक्ट्रॉन इंक्रीजेस, losing the electrons increases and it become and the shell becomes losing outermost shell on losing valence electrons, and it becomes its octet. They losing their valence electron in the outermost shell and they complete their octet and they become stable, and means what, they forms the cations and they have the stability. Means the metals have the character of an atom is tendency to lose the electrons. Metallic elements have the character to lose the electrons and complete their octet. Means they form the cations and they have the positive, it is called the electropositivity of the elements. This is the metallic characters, and the metallic character of the elements increases while we going down in the group. The metallic character is also increases while we going downwards into the groups. Same as in when we going as left to right within a period, outermost shell remains the same. While we going, same as while we going from left to right in a period, the outermost shell remains the same and the positive charge of the nucleus goes on increasing. The positive charge on the nucleus will be increasing and the atomic radius goes on decreasing. The atomic radius goes on decreasing. Means what? क्यों एटॉमिक रेडियस डिक्रीज होती है? क्योंकि वो एलिमेंट्स क्या करते हैं, व्हेन वी गोइंग टू लेफ्ट टू राइट वी सी दैट the metals, non-metals metals losing their electrons in the valence shell. Means their valence electron lose they, and because of that shells are decreased, the outermost shells are decreased, and because of that the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell increases, and that's why their atomic radius is also decreases. And thus the effective nuclear charge goes on increasing. Means nuclear charge increase होता है but their atomic size decrease होते हैं. Therefore the valence electrons are held with greater attractive force. This is called the electronegativity. They have the electronegativity. As a result of this, the tendency of atom to lose valence electrons decreases with a period from left to right, that is electronegativity increases. Thus non-metallic character of elements increases within the period from left to right. Means non-metallic characters are seen within a period from left to right. They loses their electrons, and that is the electronegativity of that element increases, and that's why the metallic character of the non-metallic character of the elements increases in a period from left to right. हम लोग लेफ्ट से राइट जाते हैं पीरियडिक टेबल में. देन व्हेन वी ऑब्जर्व दैट non-metallic character of the elements and increases, non-metallic character of the elements increases while we going from left to right, and means its negativity also, electronegativity also increases. These are the metallic and non-metallic characters of the elements. Miss what? Again I explain that. See, you remember, while we going downwards in any group, the electropositivity of elements goes on increasing, while their electronegativity goes on decreasing. जब हम ग्रुप में पीरियोडिक टेबल के ग्रुप में डाउनवर्ड्स जाते हैं तो क्या होते हैं, इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इंक्रीजेस, दैट्स while their electronegativity increases. Next is what? While we're going from left to right in any period, the electropositivity of the elements goes on increasing, while as their electronegativity goes on, their electropositivity goes on decreasing. If larger the electropositivity of electropositivity or the electronegativity of the elements, higher the reactivity of the elements. जब पॉजिटिविटी और इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी हायर होती है, देन these elements are reactive. These elements are higher reactive. These elements are higher reactive. Means they have the great tendency to accepting and losing the electrons. That's why they have the higher reactivity. They have the higher reactivity. Okay, our next point is gradation in halogen family. You know that the halogen family, this is the inert gas group, means helium, xenon, radon, krypton. These are the fully completed, means they have the zero group, and all these elements called inert gases. Means gradation in halogen family, the group of elements contains the members of halogen family. All of them have the general formula H2. Means a gradation is observed in their physical state down the group. This fluorine and chlorine are gases. Bromine is a liquid, while the iodine as a solid. Means gradation means what? They changes their stages. They changes their states. They changes their states. When we going from the in the group, that contains the halogen family like fluorine, chlorine, and gases like bromine and liquid, while bromine is a liquid, while the iodine is a solid. Means क्या होता है, देखो हेलोजन फैमिली के तरफ हम लोग पीरियोडिक टेबल में ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, तभी क्या होता है, फ्लोरीन एंड क्लोरीन एक गैसेस फॉर्म में है. फ्लोरीन एंड क्लोरीन is in the gaseous form, while as bromine is in the liquid form, and while as the iodine is in the solid form. Means they changes their states, they changes their gradation, they changes their gradation, their श्रेणीज. This is the gradation in a halogen family. halogen family में जो elements है वो अपने states चेंज होते हैं, उनकी states चेंज होती है. Like as fluorine and chlorine, when you observe, then you understood that fluorine and chlorine is in a gaseous state, while as bromine is in the liquid state and iodine is in a solid state. That's like the halogen family. In a halogen family, the gradation is always changes. Now next point is reaction of alkaline earth metal with water. Reaction of alkaline earth metal with the water. You know that the general equation indicating the alkaline earth metals, M plus 2H2O is equal to, gives out MOH twice plus H2. Means while we going down the second group as beryllium to magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium, the gradation in this chemical property of alkaline earth metals is observed. देखो ये जनरल रिएक्शन दिया है, M प्लस H2O अल्कलाइन मेटल, M मीन्स अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल है, M मीन्स वॉट अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल प्लस 2H2O वाटर के साथ उसकी रिएक्शन होती है तो हमें क्या मिलता है, मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड मिलता है और हाइड्रोजन गैस इज रिलीज, हाइड्रोजन इज रिलीज. एंड व्हेन वी गोइंग दैट सेकेंड ग्रुप, बेरिलियम to magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium is the gradation in this chemical property of the alkaline earth metal we observed is the gradation in the alkaline earth metals. When we're going down the second group, the reactivity of the alkaline earth metals goes on increasing, and thereby the reaction takes place, goes on increasing, and the beryllium does not react with water. But we observe that the beryllium does not react with water, while the magnesium reacts with the steam of the water, and also the calcium and strontium, while the calcium and strontium and barium react with water at the room temperature with the increasing rates. What gradation we see in the alkaline earth metals reaction with water? See here, जब अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल वाटर से रिएक्ट होता है तो हमें समझ में आता है कि बेरिलियम डज नॉट रिएक्ट विथ वाटर, बेरिलियम वाटर से रिएक्ट नहीं होता है. मैग्नीशियम ओनली रिएक्ट विथ द स्टीम ऑफ द वाटर, ओनली इट रिएक्ट्स विथ द स्टीम, while as calcium, strontium and barium reacts with water at room temperature. At room temperature means these are the reaction of alkaline earth metal. This is the reaction of the alkaline earth metal with water. Means beryllium, magnesium, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रॉन्शियम, बेरिलियम, इसमें क्या ग्रेडेशन दिखाई देते हैं हमें. और अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल कोई क्या होता है वाटर से रिएक्ट, उसकी रिएक्शन ही नहीं होती है, कोई वाटर स्ट्रीम से रिएक्ट होता है तो कोई वाटर से डायरेक्टली रूम टेम्परेचर पे रिएक्ट होता है. यू रिमाइंड इट हियर आवर second chapter is completed, and if you have doubt you ask me. You want to complete your exercise, you want to solve this. No more students solve first lessons exercise also. I want to complete exercise of 2 lessons. If you not complete, I will complain to Amit sir. Okay, you mind it, and you want to solve this. You also want to study this. There is exam, there will be exam on next month on this 2 chapter. So you want to start the study, and you want to complete your homework. Your homework, you understand what's your homework. You want to solve the exercise of this second chapter. You want to complete the exercise of this second chapter. Okay, we stop here. Thank you.